So let's do a walk around update. Chris just took the rest of the insulation out today. He also kind of carved into our kitchen cabinet area. It's a little bright. We have this replacement cabinet. He's trying to turn up the heater because
I'm not turning on the heater, I'm turning on the stove.
Whatever, it's freaking cold outside. It was snowing today. It's ridiculous. Oh, so sorry if I don't sound enthused. I am freezing. We took out the door here and we've been sanding all the walls. We got the fridge in the mail today, so we'll be installing that soon. And our other fridge, surprise! We have a wine fridge. The bedroom's a disaster because we're just storing things back here. I know it looks really messy right now, but that's because we're about to like start hardcore putting things together. I'll hold this. So like the thing that really stinks right now is that because of the coronavirus, like this project has been so freaking hard because of everything going on. Like I have to watch the kids, I have to do school, and the kids are crazy, so there's no time to work on it up here, like out here. When they go to bed, you're tired, you want to go to bed, so that's been hard. And then we were just notified that the campground we were going to stay in has closed until May 5th. We don't want to extend our Airbnb, but we may have to, unless we can find another alternative. I've no doubt we'll be able to finish this by April 18th, but now that this coronavirus stuff has kicked in, like even if we decide to live off the grid, like will it be for weeks, will it be for months? We don't know. With all the new cases, it seems like months. So this project has turned to be very time consuming and just hard to schedule around everything. Chris is still working, said I have the kids, like, so slowly but surely. He just got the stove turned on. Thank God.
Bootleg heater until my cap off with that being half dries. I can't turn on the
oh my gosh,
furnace.
You guys, it snowed like 3 times today. Like,
here's the heater.
It's really cold. I don't know why. I loved the weather in Germany, or I thought I did. Now I'm changing my mind. But as you see, like, just to show you a little bit more, we're hanging ship flat, and now we have more time. I may actually do my backsplash. We'll see. But all right, we're gonna get to work, try to get some more things done. It's really warming up quickly, thank goodness. All right, thanks for following. Ignore our crazy looks. I mean, I don't think anybody at this point is actually even eating healthy or wearing makeup. So, I mean, Chris sure as heck hasn't had a haircut. And he forgot what a razor is. So, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram if you haven't yet. The website is almost done. And our YouTube is up and running.